Good afternoon. I am Rajnikant sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Good afternoon, Rajnikant sir. Please, the time.
Sir, the time is 15 hours 15 minutes and 36 seconds.
Rajnikant sir, please open YouTube. Rajnikant sir, please open Google. Rajnikant sir, please play music. Rajnikant sir, please stop the music. Rajnikant sir, searching Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. Good afternoon.
According to Wikipedia.
I am Rajnikant sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Searching Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
According to Wikipedia.
Good afternoon. I am Rajnikant sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
According to Wikipedia. Email to Yogesh. Rajnikant sir, email to Yogesh.
What should I say?
chawaleyogesh@gmail.com.
Sorry my friend Yogesh bhai. I am not able to send this email.
Searching Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia. Good afternoon. I am Rajnikant sir. Please tell me how may I help you?
Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia.
Searching Wikipedia.
According to Wikipedia.
According to Wikipedia. According to Jim is an American sitcom television series starring Jim Belushi in the title role as a suburban father of 3 children, and then 5 children, starting with the 7th season finale. It originally ran on ABC from October 3, 2001 to June 2, 2009.
Okay, thank you Rajnikant sir.